All right, guys. We're at the roof.
Yeah, that works. Did he say?
$10 says you don't jump off.
$10? Make it 20. I'll do it.
Okay.
You're good.
We're in Detroit. If you guys can't tell, love coming to Detroit. Absolutely love coming downtown. Perfect. What's up? What's up, everybody? Show Up 3.4 here, bringing you another vlog. This is going to be my first time at Autorama. I have no idea what to expect.
It's good.
No idea what to expect.
It's cool.
But from pictures I've seen, it looks pretty cool. I didn't even lock my freaking truck.
Lost the cable snap, but don't worry about that.
Why can't all elevators have this? Maybe that. Oh no, it was in New York. I've been in New York.
All right, guys. Brian, would you like to explain that train ride we just had? All these people? All these people? One train. One train. That was fun. It also took us like 20 minutes to get on that train.
You could damn near taste the guy standing next to you.
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh, do you see what the seat? They got easy out seats. The seats twist.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Dude, this isn't even a grade 8 car. That's a grade 8 car. It's chopped. See how it's lower? That's cool. The diffuser and the bumper. Yeah, look at suspension. It's independent rear suspension.
I might not be talking a lot. This might just be a lot of video.
Polished rotors. I guess
Polished rotors.
Dude, this car's over $1 million. See these banners? These cars are the top 8 cars of the show. That are because
look at that, dude.
That's why it's a Riddler car.
This Mustang looks good.
Badass.
God, those rotors are huge.
Forge line, those wheels are $3,000 a piece. Coyote. Dude, look at, there's no welds on the exhaust.
Jay, you want a Bel Air? There you go.
This one's got a blower on
I
it
really
too.
like these tires.
Frick, those are some meaty boys.
Dude, this display is even really nice cars that have these lights on them. With the extra lights, it makes the paint pop on your truck.
This thing is huge.
Yeah.
She's a long boy.
This thing is so
59
long.
Caddy. These are big cars. Murray's got one of these too.
Oh, look at the grill, dude.
Yeah, that's factory grill. That's all they are from factory. These cars are cool, dude. LSA. So V2 powered. That's a ZL1 lid on it. No, that's a V lid on it actually. Another LSA car. I like the wheels on those wheels. Are cool.
God, dude, they put some big brake kits on these things. It's hard to focus. Chip Foose is right there. Right there. That's cool. Oh, yeah.
Dude, this thing's cool.
Dang, I really like that interior.
That's cool.
I like this. It looks like fake almost.
It looks like it's plastic.
Yeah, it looks like it's like plastic.
I mean, that's pretty much your engine, really. But, you know, the blower.
Yeah.
A lot more power.
I just love how those engine bays, like you could like lift it up and it looks like there's almost nothing in there. Hey, here we go. Now that's what I'm talking about. A supercharger for my truck.
Dude, your truck can't handle a 2650. You're gonna shoot the rods out of that thing. An LSA is like a 12 liter. It's like a 1.2 liter blower. This is a 2.6.
Fixed under stock hood, jackpot, dude.
Exactly.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I need that in my life.
The way this thing looks.
This does look pretty
so
sick.
Cool. I don't know how they did it.
I don't know either.
Cool.
Cause like, you know how they do patina stuff, but like this is.
But dude, I love how the bed is like almost the same color as like the body, even though it's wood. You know what I mean? It's kind of got that blue tint. It's good.
Bring her to a car show. She's looking at the fashion stuff. That's all right. I don't care. As long as you buy something cool. Look who we met up with.
Oh god. It's probably like really zoomed in my face right now too.
No, not too bad.
No, okay.
No normal.
Yeah, I got a free pass because I'm here.
He's working at the Waterfills. Bop words.
Waterford Hills Road Racing.
Yep, the booth. And he's got his videos playing.
Which
Not yet, but.
I bought a car that I haven't mentioned yet. So, but I'm going to be racing that at Waterford Hills this year. That's all I'm saying because nobody knows what the car is yet.
True. So we're walking around the booth and I see the Mopar section. Oh my god. This is beautiful. This thing is sexy. Like this wheel and tire setup, I'm liking this. Isn't this technically copyright?
No, because it's my own video, so I have no problem with it.
Andrew's on TV, guys.
No, well, my YouTube logo like at the bottom.
So is this your video?
Yeah, this is my video. I made this video.
Nice.
So.
Look at you being all superstarish.
Yeah.
That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
You know the most beautiful thing I've ever seen? These cinnamon roasted nuts.
So you didn't record the Praga or the open wheel car, but you're recording a Dodge Challenger?
Yes, because that to me is beautiful.
That's also feasible. The Praga is it's not even street legal.
Yeah, I don't find street illegal cars cool at all.
But then again, I will probably be tracking one about.
Just like personal preference, like I don't know, I can't find any around here. These are all street legal cars.
That one's probably not at this point.
I mean, but it was at one. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, I got it.
Big drag cars and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're nice, cool, but they don't impress me really much.
This car is one of my favorites so far.
This looks pretty good.
Holy crap.
I'm liking this color.
He's got a.
Looks way different on camera. It doesn't.
It's like
Yeah, I know. That's the problem with everything yesterday.
Oh, it seems
Say that again.
My dad did the interior in this car.
His dad did the interior of this car.
Holy crap.
That's cool.
This car shoots flames too. Oh,
This is a pretty good red. I like this red.
Yeah.
It's not showing up on camera like what it actually is, but
Let's call this thing
It's the worst part about a show like this.
yeah, blowers.
Massive. Huge. Who says that belt?
This is like my dream classic car right here. I love these GTOs. Dream GTO, dude. Dream, like one of my dream muscle cars. Yep. It's gotta have the stacked headlights. Damn.
Our dad jokes are horrible.
So look at that
Yeah.
negative camera on the front wheel.
Holy crap, dude.
Junior dragster.
Are those funny cars? Is that what they're called? Okay. Oh, dude, that's
No, it's actually talking about the LSA. That's LT4.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was talking about the 30.
It's not that long, but miles. LSA.
And I was talking about the
I love the rear quarter on these cars. I do like that a lot, actually.
How expensive is it to do something?
So, you know she's goals when she says, we should do that for our house. I'm down.
Those could be our bar stools.
I don't know if you heard, the C8, like, everyone orders their C8 with these wheels. I'm not a fan. I think they're the ugliest wheels you possibly could have put on this car. But again, that's just me.
It completely separates you.
These cars do look beautiful. No denying that. I recorded this already, but I'm gonna do it again. Oh, baby.
No, Zach.
I know.
This is your car.
I know.
buddy. This is one of your cars.
Oh, God grief.
Everything is right on.
I'd still want a Terminator over a Mach 1, but I'll still take a Mach 1.
looks better, dude.
I don't know, I just don't like
Oh,
new edges personally.
I love them.
Zach, look at that. ET Streets. He's got a power line. Just back away.
That is really nice. It's really nice. The size of that boy.
Wait, so how is that?
The 2JZ looks bigger than normal.
The road course car. It's still the OEM 4-cylinder in it too. Yeah. If they just turbos, don't miss it a lot. Not ready to go.
we just did a racing simulator. I didn't bother to record it because didn't need to, but we all did pretty good actually.
Yeah.
We were all 1 second off the fastest.
Yeah.
Which ain't good enough.
Except for me.
You did good. Yeah, you did.
That one corner, I was way too
You
late.
what? It's alright. So I never told you guys this, but like when I was a kid, you can ask my parents. I was into these cars like crazy, and I have a bunch of these still as a kid. Like I still have them from a kid, but like I was into these things so much, and I'd go to the store and I have to pick one out every single time, dude. Like these big ones, like the Maisto and the American Muscle. None of them are in good shape anymore because I was a kid, but I still got them. I love stuff like this. If I would have seen this as a kid, I would have been begging for 8 of these till we went home.
Better than mine.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is next to long.
God, I love street cars. It is a Z06 too.
I love those wheels.
These are the best C5 wheels ever. Okay. How was the show, Andrew?
Seeing as I was a little less overwhelming than yesterday was. Yesterday was so overwhelming for me.
How was the show?
Beautiful. Give me money, I'm poor.
Wow.
Hey everybody, it's Jalen here with another vlog.
What's up? What's up?
Oh wow, now you can really see my man's this is some very terrible, horrible lighting. Subscribe to Nicole Fowler on YouTube.
You have a YouTube account?
I don't have a YouTube, but please don't follow me on Instagram either.
Follow me on
Bye.
Instagram and Andrew Herschel vlog as well. Get my
I mean, I guess you can, but whatever.
Only they're sending so many people down in the area for it.
Here's Zach in his element. Watch the wild Zach as he drinks what he needs to survive.
All right, guys. It is cold, and we just did a scooter ride, which was a lot of fun, actually. I'll try and make the wind noise less noise. Let me go over here. We just did a scooter ride. Those are always fun. We always love coming down to Detroit. Good time. Coming down here all the time. Look at this view. Just look at this view. Can't wait to move down here. But yeah, it was a good time. Autorama was awesome. I've never been to Autorama yet, so that was an awesome time. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys saw what you wanted to from Autorama. If you didn't go, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.